Traders, Anthony here, pound dollar. Let's just go out of here. Weekly. I'm looking at this chart and I'm wondering whether we see a green week or a red week. Right? It's bearish and my bias is definitely bearish. However, you know, do we see a retrace here? We've got this candle, this thin candle here on the weekly time frame, okay, prior to last week. And nothing left and right of it, so I'm wondering whether we see this retrace back in through to fill, rebalance. In any case, we've got on the weekly time frame, we've got this accumulation candle prior to, I mean, look at this move, it's massive. This here is really significant. Like, let's just have a look at this. What went on back over here? Equal lows weekly. Smart money is gearing up for this run. Look what they do. Equal lows, massive build-up of liquidity under, and look what happens here. That is brutal. They take everybody out. It trades down under this previous weekly low here. Massive move, wipes out most retail traders, and look where they take it. Okay, that is a big move. Now, this is a big area. This whole range here. This is an accumulation prior to that, so it's quite significant. What's happened? I mean, it's, if we look at this weekly candle last week, almost to the pip of the high of this range, this red candle, it's touched it. Now, see this dotted line. I'm wondering, I mean, that's a target for me. I'm thinking that we could see this tap down further into liquidity into this, in this area here. And my target would be this section above this, or this area above this, this dotted line midway through this red candle here. So I'm thinking possibly more downside, but it's going to depend on the stock markets. At the moment, the stock markets are doing something similar to the euro dollar, really. I mean, the pound dollar here. All right, let's just go down to the daily, and I'll let you know what I'm getting at here. So we've had this trend on the daily. You see, it's trended down, and then we get this change in character, this green, bullish green candle. It attacks liquidity above. And my question is, you know, are we going to see further upside here? I mean, look at that. Okay. Yeah. All right. We'll have a look at it on the lower time frame. Or does it roll over here and give us a bearish week? What else can I say about this? Yeah, so I've marked up this balance area above here on the daily. And I think this space between where we're currently trading and this level here is a potential target for this to trade back through, right? So that's a possibility. You just got to look at this and consider the possibilities here, because this is not your average everyday, you know, trending down like it was here. This is a significant move, this pullback. That's all right. So let's just go down, say, to a 4H. I've been marking this up. I'll show you what I've done. At the moment, we're pushing up, and my question is, see this drawing here. This is, let's call this a weekly candle. So we're starting our week here. See this level here, this orange, this level. This is our weekly open right here, and we're currently bullish above this, the weekly open. We've traded up. So is that giving us this wick? Possibly, prior to it rolling over and giving us a bearish candle for the week. All right, that's my question. See, we've traded above this weekly open, trades up. So possibly, all right, so I'm just, you know, weighing up a few things here just to give myself a bit of an idea and a bit of a plan of attack and a bit of a roadmap. So the next thing for me is, you know, how does this shape up today? We've got the 1 hour chart here. Righto. Weekly open. I actually traded down a little bit and now up. So, you know, does it hold above this weekly open, or does it, you know, do we get that, or do we get that? Right, that's the question. At this point, we don't know yet. Keep an eye on the stocks. If we see the US 500, the US 30, the tech stocks breaking north or south, the pound dollar is most likely going to follow. And at the moment, I won't change charts because this will mess up my video. It'll cancel out the video. But so we've got, I don't know if you're into, there's a head and shoulders thing there. It doesn't really, I don't take too much notice of those kind of chart patterns, but I think what I'm considering would be, how does this shape up today? Now, let me just show you this. We've got a trend back through here. I've marked it all up so that it's going to be a quick video. This is Monday. This is the London Open back Monday the 25th of September, right? So we've got a Monday London Open here. We've got Tuesday London Open here. Wednesday London Open here. So we've got this nice clean trend. But look what happens on Monday. Trades up. And then we get this nice move during the day. Tuesday comes along. Get a little bit of a spike up. Retrace, okay. And we get this really nice move Tuesday. So Monday is a nice bearish day. Tuesday was a bearish day. And the first thing that happened on Monday was that, it didn't really kind of attack liquidity. You know, it did back in here. Okay, so it attacked liquidity. It took these highs here, you know, and then it traded down and we had this pullback. But what I'm getting at is London Open was the high here, and then we traded south. London Open on Tuesday was the high there, trading into the London Open. Wednesday, London Open gave us the high. All right, so what I'm considering is, if this is going to be a red week, is this setting up, and I'm looking at the period up until the Asia close, this orange line. So is this going to set up a high so that we get, you know, a bearish week, or is this the low prior to this attacking liquidity further up, okay, and we get a bullish candle for the week. So we don't know yet, but what I'll be doing with this is watching it Monday and then see if we get a lower high into the New York session. So let's just check that out. New York kicks off, we'll just mark it up. We get a lower high in the New York session. That could be time to short it. New York session open, and that kicks off at 8. Got my chart set to New York time. There it is. Okay, London trades down, up, and just to see how it shapes up. Do we get a lower high in New York, or do we get a higher low? In any case, this is going to trade either this way or the other way. I'm getting at something here today. And depending on which way this ends up trading, and I'm hoping that it's going to be, we take out liquidity above here. This is a spike. I'm hoping that this is shaping up for a bearish candle like this. And then we trade down, and then tomorrow we get, it's all hypothetical, so let's just have a look. Okay, here's a bit of a hypothetical situation. I don't know. Does that make sense? A lower high here. And then keep an eye out for a trend setting up bearish. Once we get through the Asia close, this is getting a little bit out of hand, isn't it? But over here we've got the Asia, we've got the London Open, we've got the Asia close. That's the Asia close. I want to see that if this is a lower high here through this period, right? All right, so there's that and that. If this is a lower high to this there, I'll be short. I'll be looking to sell and maybe winding it up on Thursday or something like that. But that's what I'm looking at, right? So if this is a higher, if it does that, I don't know, however it kind of works out, but if we get a higher high here, then we could be looking for a bullish week, okay? So just be careful. Trading Monday can be a little bit tricky, and we just need to see which way this is going to shape up, and then run with it. So let's just watch it, see how it's trading through this session. I mean, if we look back here, look how clean this trend was. I mean, if it looks like that, then I'm going to be fairly convinced. All right. So we just want to see. We get a, yeah, I mean, look, I don't know. I'm not really into, this is a, what is it, a Head and Shoulders. But that could be the thing. You know, and away we go, possibly. All right, let's just see how it shapes up, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And, yep, there's method to this madness. Comment, smash the likes, do whatever else. There's links below. Check them out. Oh, did I mention this? This is the weekly open. Yeah. So I want to see, you know, do we get a... Does it hold above or does it hold below? Anyway, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.